T-Mobile Home Internet, or TMHI, utilizes 5G technology to provide broadband service as an alternative to traditional cable and fiber providers. However, some users experience slow speeds, particularly during peak hours when network demand is highest. To address these challenges, T-Mobile implemented the Speed Surge Initiative in 2026. This major initiative involved investing $12 billion in network infrastructure upgrades. The upgrades expanded 5G coverage across urban and rural areas, reducing latency and improving overall connection speeds. T-Mobile has significantly expanded its mid-band 5G, also known as mmWave, coverage across the United States. By March 2026, this deployment reaches 85% of urban areas, providing faster and more reliable connections in cities and metropolitan regions. The mid-band 5G spectrum, including mmWave frequencies, enables lower latency. T-Mobile's expansion has reduced average latency from 45 milliseconds to just 25 milliseconds, making activities like online gaming and video calls much smoother. To put this in perspective, 4G networks typically have latency between 60 and 98 milliseconds, while 5G can achieve under 5 milliseconds. This significant improvement comes from the expanded mid-band coverage. Additionally, T-Mobile has implemented dynamic bandwidth allocation, an AI-driven system. This technology automatically adjusts network speeds based on usage patterns, ensuring that home internet users are prioritized over mobile traffic, especially during peak congestion times. Overall, these improvements are designed to provide TMHI users with a stable and reliable internet connection, minimizing disruptions and slowdowns. Regulatory oversight played a crucial role in addressing T-Mobile home internet speed issues. The Federal Communications Commission, or FCC, took action by imposing a significant fine on T-Mobile. In February 2026, the FCC fined T-Mobile $150 million for misleading advertising about their unlimited speeds. This regulatory intervention was prompted by widespread customer complaints about speeds that fell far below advertised levels during peak usage times. In response to the fine and customer feedback, T-Mobile implemented several key changes to improve transparency and accountability. They introduced clear speed caps with guaranteed minimum speeds, ensuring customers know exactly what to expect. One major improvement was the introduction of transparent speed caps, such as a guaranteed minimum of 100 megabits per second. This means customers can now rely on consistent performance even during network congestion, unlike the previous unlimited claims that often led to disappointing results. T-Mobile also established refund programs to compensate customers who were affected by the misleading advertising and slow speeds. These programs provided credits directly to users who experienced service below the promised levels. As a result of these refund programs, over 2 million T-Mobile home internet users have received credits, with amounts typically ranging from $50 to $100 per customer. This compensation helped restore trust and demonstrated the company's commitment to making things right. These regulatory actions and T-Mobile's subsequent improvements have created a more transparent and reliable service. Customers now have clear expectations about speeds and protections when those expectations aren't met. T-Mobile Home Internet shares bandwidth with mobile users, leading to deprioritization during peak times. During congestion, home internet traffic gets deprioritized, causing slow speeds. The 2026 fix introduces priority lanes for TMHI data, aiming for a minimum of 50 MB even during congestion. Early plans had soft data caps, which are now tiered with hard caps or truly unlimited options. T-Mobile Home Internet uses a home gateway device to convert cellular 5G signals into Wi-Fi for household use. This gateway acts as the bridge between the cellular network and your home devices. Good signal strength is crucial for reliable internet speeds. This is measured by signal-to-noise ratio, or SNR, where values above 20 decibels indicate strong signals with minimal interference from noise or buildings. T-Mobile's network architecture includes advanced technologies like beamforming and multiple input, multiple output, or MIMO. Beamforming directs signals precisely to your devices, while MIMO uses multiple antennas to boost speeds by 40 to 60% through better signal processing. The updated Nokia 5G21 home gateway model includes firmware updates that optimize beamforming and MIMO technologies, leading to improved signal processing and overall network performance. T-Mobile is piloting 6G in select markets, promising speeds up to 10 gigabits per second with near zero latency. AI tools for predictive congestion management allow users to monitor and optimize speeds in real time, potentially switching bands automatically. These tools aim to provide a seamless experience. Real-world case studies demonstrate the effectiveness of T-Mobile's fixes in different environments. In rural Ohio, a pilot program upgraded 10,000 homes with new infrastructure. Speeds increased dramatically from 5 to 20 megabits to 100 to 200 megabits, resulting in 50% fewer outages and 90% user satisfaction. In urban San Francisco, signal boosters were installed in a high-rise building. This improved speeds from 50 megabits per second to 300 megabits per second and led to a 70% drop in customer churn. However, challenges persist in megacities like Los Angeles. During peak events such as Super Bowl week, speeds can still drop to 30 megabits per second despite implemented fixes. Experts and data from industry sources reveal the overall impact of T-Mobile's slow speed fixes for their home internet service. Telecom analyst Craig Moffett from Bernstein Research noted in March 2026 that while T-Mobile's fixes are game-changing for home internet, achieving true parity with fiber optic speeds might require the maturation of 6G technology. Consumer Reports has upgraded their rating of T-Mobile home internet to 4 out of 5 stars following the 2026 updates, a significant improvement from the 2 out of 5 stars given in 2025. According to Ookla's speed test data from Q1 2026, T-Mobile home internet's median download speeds have reached 185 megabytes per second, marking a 35% year-over-year improvement. Customer satisfaction is on the rise, with a J.D. Power study showing scores up 20 points to 750 out of 1,000. Additionally, 65% of users now report experiencing no slow speeds after implementing the fixes.